I used to do a lot of filmmaking work in a lot of different apps. For example, I wrote all my YouTube scripts in Google Docs. I tracked all my hours on client projects in Notes on Google. I set up meetings and to-do lists on my calendar app on my phone, like both of them, the Samsung one and the Google one. And lastly, I used Excel to keep track of all my rates and hours on different projects. Well, I can tell you one thing, I don't touch any of those apps anymore, and my workflow changed so much since I started using Notion. So if you don't know what Notion is essentially an all-can-do app that you can make your to-do lists in, or your grocery list, like a lot of lists. Let's go into Notion. Right into Notion you have like a lot of stuff, but let's go to the left side first, where you have all your team spaces, your shared spaces and your private spaces. So right now I am in the Parazon Productions private space. And right here I have a couple things that go from social media stuff to down here Parazon media stuff, which is the name of my filmmaking business. But let's just start on top and go through them one by one. So right here I have my to-do list. In my to-do list I just type down some things that I want to do in the upcoming week or upcoming 2 weeks. These are just like small tasks that I write down so I don't forget them, and so I remind myself of the deadline, because editing work just has like deadlines, and so that's why this to-do list is here. Right underneath are my notes, but like these are just things that I need to remember like real quick, just small things, so not really to-do list things, but more like some things I'll need when I'm going to edit. So like music or feedback of the client, I always put that in here. Right next to that I have the active videos tab. I'm coming to that later and going in detail about all those tags and everything, but for now let's just leave it at that. This is the social media tab, where I have my content, content schedule, content guideline. In the content I have all the scripting and everything that happens for a YouTube video. Content schedule is when I upload the video, and content guideline is just some things that I want to have in every video. Going down here are my resources, and these are just some quick links, so I can go to websites like YouTube Studio in just one click. So when I scroll down I have the cold mails, where I have my cold mails template for finding work. Media packages, which are my rates and prices. And project overview, I don't use that thing a lot anymore. These I used to put every project that I got in here, but I just put those like in the to-do list. The content tab, the more interesting thing. Right here I have all my content, and it exists of shorts, normal, long form and LinkedIn. So these are templates that I use for my videos. And inside one of these templates, let's go into my filmmaking workflow in Notion. I have the thumbnail IDs, title IDs, description, shot list, and scripts. So in scripts I just have my script for the entire video, and shot list is where I have like a chapter, add a description to the shot list, tags. I'll probably make another video about the shot lists where I go in detail about everything and explain how I made this in Notion. Since I have this shot list, shooting B-roll for video goes so much easier now, so I'll definitely make another video on that. Content schedule. So right here I have like a simple table, and so you know this video is really far behind schedule. But it's okay, because being behind schedule is better than not making videos for 3 months. I'm looking to myself in the monitor. Active videos is actually just the content tab, and then I made like another view, so which is called in production, and right here I just have everything I need. So these are the in production things. Cold mails, these are all blurred out because those are names of people that I send emails to. I used to send a lot of emails to businesses that I wanted to work with. After that I took all of those previous emails that I sent myself and wrote myself. I put them into ChatGPT and just told them to make me an email template based off the writing style of all the emails above. And just like that I got like a couple templates where I just have to fill in some things, and an email is just done like that. So it really comes in handy. So I'm definitely gonna make another video for the content page and the shot list, especially going into detail on the shot list, because that thing is kind of complicated, but it's a really cool concept. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.